Kelly?
There they go.
What just happened?
Oh, we're gonna hit the shore.
Oh, even, boat.
Roaring into a new week at the farm, I have got to move chicks, hatch chicks all winter long, so that by the time we get to spring and summer, they're starting to lay more eggs. More eggs during the summer months when there are lots of people here for the farmers markets help our price point, so that come winter when we decrease the number of chickens, so it's just for us, it pays for them. So just are not my favorite. This is not my favorite job, but I love eggs. I'm just gonna keep saying that to myself. I love eggs. I love eggs. Eggs are so good. Winter in Kodiak so different. We're normally really, really wet, windy, lots of storms, but not necessarily the heavy winter storms. We're kind of the tropics of Alaska, so we have a whole different set of issues that come with being on an island, like, you know, empty shelves all the time because the boat bypasses us. But as long as you stock up, and that's really become such an important part for us. So food security, food sustainability is actually currently a really important aspect of where we live. You talk about the supply chain, the food distribution, all those things. It can be as healthy as possible, but if the weather doesn't allow for the ship to dock, or if there's an issue or a natural disaster, it doesn't matter how secure your food chains are, your distributions are, your farmers, large corporate farmers are. If you can't get the food to the people that need it. Okay, I gotta readjust.
Hey, what did you do? Did you put your foot through there? Coffee bean, let's get that out. Up in that hole, and she's not gonna like it, and so this pen needs to be a fast motion. There we go. And I'm gonna pinch it off, and I'm gonna push that antibiotic clear up in there. And I'm gonna dry her out and hope for the best for next season. That's it. How about it?
Okay, minor problem we gotta take care of. These hay bales that we get come compressed, and they have these little white plastic ties around them. Biggest pet peeve. I yell about it all the time. I got the white ties, put them away, and yet somehow they always still get left out. I got a sheet that's wrapped around with one. I gotta try and get it off of her. So the goal is to try and lure her in. She's definitely not from my herd, but even so, Shetland sheep are just so wild. And so I'm gonna try and bring him in with some feed, see if I can't fix this problem. Oh, good grief, what a mess. All right, there's the problem. Yes, you can tell the goat that was bottle raised, please don't pee on me, compared to these guys who definitely were not. Okay. It is past due time to move our chicks. You think they're big enough that they don't need heat? Yeah. I think they're absolutely, they have their real feathers on them. nice these guys look in there. Old chickens? Are they looking in here? Not bad. Waterers and food. Look at them. There's a lot of space in here. Every year, we really love to celebrate Christmas. We decorate the barn up. We have a living nativity. And now we've Christmas at the farm for the last few years. So we invite the community. Tonight we're frying donuts on the chuck wagon and s'mores and crafts and just all around fun. And it's just the most perfect night for it. All right, King, let's do this. Last week he was the donkey. This week he's the reindeer. Wow, look at this. So we take biscuits and you're gonna shoot them and you're gonna inject them with my syringes, but they've never been used before.
It's the ones we gave goats medicine yesterday.
No. So Harbor Lights has been around for a while, where people decorate their boats and you walk through the harbor and look at them. Well, during COVID, this is like a pro-COVID moment. I didn't know if they wanted to have people walking the docks back and forth, so they reinstituted the boat parade. And it was fantastic. We got to decorate the boat and drive through the harbor, and people lined up outside, like tons of people did. And this is all of a sudden our third year doing the harbor boat parade. And they thought that the weather wouldn't work, so they'd have to cancel it any year. Third year going strong, calm seas. Looks like it's gonna be a perfect night for it. There they go.
What just happened? Kelly threw the lights in the water. She got angry.
This is how it just started to run up the whole string as it got it.
Oh my goodness, Kelly.
Oh my word. Are you serious right now?
I'm trying to not fall in. All right,
So we have some nuns over on St. Neolas Island, close to Kodiak, and one of them fell. And so he's a doctor,
Right.
and so we're gonna take our boat. He's gonna get a stretcher, and we're gonna try to get her into Kodiak to the hospital.
This is crazy. So St. Neolas Island, we have a large Russian Orthodox presence here in Kodiak, and we're close with them, and Even is really close with them. So they're going to run out. I highly doubt we will be doing Harbor Lights tonight, but that's okay. We aren't here for Harbor Lights.
It's hard. It's tricky.
Yeah.
So we gotta do what we can.
Jiffy sticks.
What? Yeah, like. Okay. You never know. I don't have my hands.
Okay.
That's really hard.
Well, they didn't go after all. MD and boat captain or whatever.
MD
And mental health.
MD
Official.
and DM. Dumb.
But they had to send a chopper. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, had to send a chopper. Safer, better. We didn't have the best tools to do it well. And so that's the best case scenario.
Yeah. Now, there it is. problem.
Oh, we're gonna hit the shore.
Oh, even! Boat! Gosh! Good job, Grayson!
Thank you for rescuing folks.
We have a success.
We have a success. Even successful?
Definitely successful.
Definitely successful. Cleaning up inside. Taking everything
Zip
down.
ties up there.
Now these are Even's house decorations.